The struggle is real. Why are so many unemployed? It's a question that haunts many of us. We see it every day. People struggling to find jobs, lines at unemployment offices, families feeling the pressure. The weight of uncertainty is heavy. It makes you wonder, why is this happening? Why, in a world with so many opportunities, do so many find themselves without work? Why are so many people unemployed? The reasons are multifaceted and complex. It's a tough question with complex answers. Economic downturns, technological advancements, and shifts in industry demands all play a role. But we need to talk about it. We need to bring these issues to light. We need to understand it. Only by understanding the root causes can we begin to address the problem. Because behind the statistics are real people with real lives. Each number represents a person, a family, a story. The job market can feel like a jungle. It's competitive, it's tough. Navigating it requires resilience and determination. And sometimes, it feels like the odds are stacked against you. Rejections can be disheartening, and the process can be exhausting. But don't give up hope. There are success stories and there are ways to overcome these challenges. We're going to explore the reasons behind unemployment. From economic policies to personal circumstances, we'll delve into the factors at play. We'll look at the challenges, the barriers that prevent people from finding work, and the systemic issues that need addressing. And most importantly, we'll discuss solutions, practical steps that can be taken to improve the situation, because together, we can navigate this crisis. By working collectively, we can create a more inclusive and supportive job market for everyone. More than money, unemployment's impact on lives. It's a profound and multifaceted issue that touches every aspect of a person's existence. Unemployment isn't just about a paycheck, it's about the loss of financial stability and the anxiety that comes with it. It's about so much more. It's about dignity, it's about purpose, it's about waking up each day with a sense of direction and meaning. It's about providing for yourself and your loved ones. The ability to support your family and contribute to their well-being is a fundamental part of one's identity. When you lose your job, you lose a part of your routine. The structure that work provides is suddenly gone, leaving a void that can be hard to fill. You lose the social interaction of a workplace. The camaraderie with colleagues, the daily conversations, and the sense of belonging are all disrupted. You might even start to question your self-worth. The feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt can creep in, making it a struggle to stay positive. It's a difficult and emotional experience. The stress and uncertainty can take a toll on your mental health, leading to feelings of depression and anxiety. The stress can be overwhelming. It can affect relationships. The strain of financial pressure and emotional turmoil can lead to conflicts with loved ones. It can impact mental and physical health. The constant worry and lack of routine can lead to physical symptoms like insomnia, headaches, and more. But remember, you are not alone. There are support systems and resources available to help you through this challenging time. Millions of people have gone through this. It's a shared experience that many have faced and overcome. And millions have come out stronger on the other side. With perseverance, support, and resilience, you can find new opportunities and rebuild your life. The root of the problem: understanding the job crisis. So what's causing this widespread unemployment? There's no single answer, it's a combination of factors. One major issue is a mismatch between the skills workers have and the skills employers need. Technology is changing rapidly, jobs are evolving, and sometimes the education system can't keep up. Globalization is another factor. Companies are moving operations overseas. Automation is replacing some jobs altogether. Economic downturns also lead to layoffs and hiring freezes. It's a complex web of issues. But by understanding the causes, we can start to find solutions. Sharpening your sword, the importance of upgrading skills. In today's job market, learning can't stop. Think of your skills like a sword. You need to keep it sharp to stay competitive. That means constantly upgrading your skills. Take online courses, learn new software, attend workshops. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. What are you good at? What needs improvement? Focus on areas that are in high demand. Look at job postings. What skills are employers looking for? By aligning your skills with market needs, you'll increase your chances of landing a job. Section 5. The power of soft skills, communication, leadership, and more. Technical skills are important, but don't underestimate the power of soft skills. These are skills that make you a great employee and a valuable team member. Communication is key. Can you express yourself clearly and confidently? Leadership is also valuable. Can you take initiative and motivate others? Problem solving, critical thinking, adaptability. These are all highly sought-after soft skills. Develop these skills through practice and experience. Volunteer, join a club, take on leadership roles. These experiences will make you stand out from the crowd. Section 6. Beyond the traditional, exploring alternative career paths. In today's rapidly evolving job market, it's essential to look beyond the conventional career paths that have been the norm for decades. Sometimes the traditional 9-to-5 job isn't the answer, and that's okay. Many people find that the rigidity of a standard office job doesn't suit their lifestyle or aspirations. The world of work is changing. With advancements in technology and shifts in societal values, new opportunities are emerging that allow for greater flexibility and creativity. We have more options than ever before. From remote work to gig economy jobs, the landscape of employment is more diverse and dynamic. Consider starting your own business. Entrepreneurship offers the chance to turn your passion into a profession, giving you control over your career and the potential for significant personal and financial rewards. Are you passionate about something? Whether it's crafting, designing, or any other skill, turning your hobby into a business can be incredibly fulfilling. Do you have a unique skill or talent? Entrepreneurship can be challenging, requiring dedication, resilience, and a willingness to take risks. But it can also be incredibly rewarding. The satisfaction of building something from the ground up and seeing it succeed is unparalleled. Freelancing is another great option. It offers the freedom to choose your projects and clients, providing a level of autonomy that traditional jobs often lack. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. These platforms make it easier than ever to find work that matches your skills and interests. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. This flexibility allows for a better work-life balance and the opportunity to travel while working. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Explore different industries. Consider remote work options. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking for more freedom, creativity, or simply a change of pace, alternative career paths offer a world of opportunities waiting to be discovered. Section 7. Turning setbacks into comebacks. Embracing the challenge. Unemployment can feel like a setback. It's easy to get discouraged, but it's important to remember this is not the end of your story. See this as an opportunity, a chance to reassess your goals, to learn new skills, to explore different paths. It's a chance to reinvent yourself. Use this time wisely. Network with people in your field. Attend industry events. Volunteer your skills to gain experience. Stay positive, stay persistent. Your comeback starts now. Section 8. Taking charge of your destiny. You have the power. Here's the thing. Your future is not predetermined. You have the power to shape it. You have the power to create your own opportunities. It all starts with a decision to take control. Believe in yourself. Believe in your abilities. Don't wait for things to happen. Make them happen. Set goals, create a plan, and take action. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Section 9. Your future starts now, a call to action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There will never be a perfect time to start. The best time is now. Take that first step. Update your resume. Reach out to your network. Apply for that job. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Section 10. Keep the conversation going. Resources and support. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are countless resources available to help you. Career counseling services can provide guidance and support. Online job boards can connect you with potential employers. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to friends, family, or mentors. Join online communities and support groups. Share your experiences, learn from others, and lift each other up. Section 11. A final word of encouragement. Never give up. The job search can be tough. There will be rejections, there will be setbacks. But never, ever give up on yourself. You are capable of amazing things. Stay positive, stay persistent. Your dream job is out there, and with hard work and determination, you will find it. Keep your head up, keep learning, keep growing. Your future is bright. I believe in you. Now go out there and make it happen.